Hey Hector, this is Larry Powell. Sorry for not getting back to you earlier this weekend. Kind of a crazy busy weekend. I just did not have a chance to get near my phone at all. So I got this quick video together for you outlining how you can grow your business's online presence and generate more leads for your business and in turn help you grow and take on more work. So first thing I wanted to show you primarily how we help our clients is through getting websites put up for them and ranked in Google and generating leads through those websites. So this is just an example of a website that I just recently finished up in the last couple of weeks for a client out of Florida. And the reason why I wanted to show this to you is just because there's some key components on a website that you really want to keep in mind when the time does come that you're ready for a website for your business, or if that time is now. Just to kind of show you what you would be looking at for a website if we did decide to move forward with our company for that. So first off, people are doing mobile search very often these days. Everybody's using their cell phones when they're trying to, get on social media or look for services for people to come out and do stuff for their house. So by having a website be mobile friendly, it's very important. Google looks at that, and it's definitely something that, if it's not mobile friendly, if people try to access your site from their cell phones and it doesn't load correctly or it looks all wonky, you're going to be losing out on a potential customer. So having it be mobile friendly is definitely the first thing. Click to calls are definitely part of that. So by having a click to call button on your website, it allows people who are accessing your site from a mobile device just to click on this phone number and call. Some computers allow you to do it also, as you can see here. So I could just call this right now if I wanted to. So that's very important. Next thing, this is going to help with your conversions once people are getting to your site. So converting those clicks into actual customers is a contact form up here near the top of the site. This is important because I know me personally as a consumer, when I'm out there looking for a service for someone to come to my house, I'm trying to get a hold of people as quick as I can to get out there and get a bid for me. So by having this contact form up here near the top, this allows people to not have to search around the site to figure out how to get a hold of your business. So it's definitely very valuable and very important as you're really focusing on turning these clicks into customers. The next thing is content. So there's over 200 different factors Google looks at determining which website's going to be in that top spot for Google search, which is the ones that are getting 33% of the search volume. And you'll see why that's important as we get into search terms here in just a moment. But you really want that website being that top spot, and content is one of the things that Google looks at when determining which website's in that top spot. With that content, you really want to target right around 1,000 to 1,500 words, sometimes more, sometimes less, depending on what your competition is. Then you also want to make sure you have the search terms you want to be found for in that content. And again, we're going to go over those search terms in just a moment. But overall, the sites can really, be very much customized to what you're needing for your business as far as, the different services you're wanting to offer, the different areas you're wanting to service. They're very customizable. And this is kind of just a basic layout of what you'd be looking at if that's something you were interested in. So looking at keywords, this is a tool I use called Ahrefs. And this allows me to do a couple different things. What we're using it for here is to look at different search terms people are using in Google search and how many searches those are getting per month. So for kitchen remodeling, Austin, Texas, that's currently getting 450 searches per month. A ton of search volume there. This could 33% of this could definitely totally change the whole aspect of your business as far as the amount of leads you have coming in. And this is just for one search term. Remodeling contractor Austin is another 350 searches a month. Remodeling contractor San Antonio 200. And these are all pick and choose. So we could definitely go after whichever ones of these you're wanting. And there's definitely more out there that we could target as well. You guys have a pretty wide range of areas that you service and work out of. So we could definitely fine tune this to exactly what you're looking for your business, and making sure we're targeting those exact services you're wanting to offer. But there is a lot of search volume out there. So we're going to be looking at this big hitter right here with 450 searches for kitchen remodeling Austin, Texas. We're going to look at what that looks like in Google search and what you guys would have to do to get a website up and into that top spot. So looking at kitchen remodeling Austin, Texas, I already have that pulled up here. So first thing, we're going to be looking at this top ranked site right here, Kitchen Central. This is where you're going to want your business to be. Another very valuable spot for your business is going to be right in here in the GMB or 3-pack. So there's a couple different factors for how you get your business in here. The first one is getting that GMB built out for your business. The next one is going to be what's known as citations. Citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. Some great citation sources you could find would be websites like Yellow Pages, or even a Facebook page if you list that information on there. Those all count as citation sources, and we have tools out there that allow us to see exactly what your competition has, so that we can do at least that, if not more, because we really want to beat your competition out in every way possible. So the first one is citations. The next big ranking factor to get into this top 3 is your organic rankings. So you can see Kitchen Central is right here and right here. So these two really play hand in hand with each other. So looking at your organic rankings and what you have to do, looking at this top ranked site, Kitchen Central, this is going to be your biggest competition for this search term if this is something you're wanting to target, and try to get these leads coming in for your business from that search term. Looking at their website, it's a good looking site. There's not a ton of content on here. Not a lot of content at all. It does, it's definitely a nice looking site. But Google doesn't rank for looks. They rank for content, and how well your site's going to be doing. So that's not anything that's going to affect your rankings as far as competition wise. So really not overly impressed with these guys. Looking at the back end of their site, this is where it gets into the more technical side of ranking a website. So the whole internet is built on backlinks, and it's one website linking itself to another website, one business linking itself to another business. So what you guys really want to go after for your business is niche relevant. That's going to carry a lot more weight in Google's eyes if they see that you guys are getting what's called backlinks from other businesses related to you, as you're going about this backlinking process. So if you guys were to get a backlink from a home improvement site, maybe out of Oregon where I'm based out of, that's going to carry a lot more weight in Google's eyes than if you guys were to get a backlink from your local Pizza Hut, because you guys aren't slinging pizzas. So you really want to go after those niche relevant links, and that's what's going to help you guys rank the fastest. So just to sum this up one more time, website for your business, make sure it's mobile friendly, converts well with contact forms up near the top, and has a crap load of content on here, preferably that 1,000 to 1,500 words, and you have those search terms in there that you really want to be found for. Find the exact search terms you want to be found for. This is just a general list. This isn't saying you have to do any of these. But kitchen remodeling, Austin, Texas, that's a huge game changer for any business out there right now. 450 searches per month. Getting into the GMB, getting that built out, getting those citations pointed towards it, and then getting your website ranked and into this top spot. It's going to give you 2 spots right here where people could be going to your business looking for the services you offer. Lots of possibilities here for your business. If you have any questions on this, definitely reach out. I'd love to talk to you more. You can reach me at my cell phone. My number is 541-968-7159. Thank you.